What's up guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to get this new Superman cape UGC. As you can see, it looks super sick and it's super shiny as well. I just hopped in Catalog Avatar Creator to kind of show you what it looks like. Here is me walking around, and if you guys look closely, you can see the cape actually moving when I walk. So this is actually a super cool UGC that you can wear, and not to mention it's completely free. And I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how you can get this added to your account. Here's how to get the new Superman cape in Parkour Rush. This UGC is super rare and there's only about 300 left. So it's time to grab it. So let's go. First, you're going to go to roblox.com and search up Parkour Rush, or use the link in the description to join the game. Now once you load in, you'll see a big arrow or pop-up that says Superman Cape Challenge. Just follow it. Now, once you see this screen, you gotta walk up to the screen and watch the full advertisement. And guys, you need to know this. If you want to do this on multiple accounts, you can do that with a VPN. And the VPN I have is linked down in the description. It's totally free to use. So use the VPN if you want to do it on multiple accounts. Back to the tutorial. It's not hard at all. You just need to walk in front of this little screen, watch the ad. It's only about 2 minutes long, so let's watch it, guys. After watching the ad, a pop-up will show, and boom, the Superman cape is now in your inventory. And that's it, guys. Now you've got your Superman cape ready to flex. If this helped a lot, drop a like or a sub, because it really motivates me to keep making more videos for you guys and more UGC guides. I'm going to be teaching